best friend, soulmate, high school sweetheart.
If you say Bobby, I just smile. So like.
So it's amazing how many things lined up for Chelsea and Bobby to be together. It was their destiny.
It began as a small high school crush, then turned into the best part of my day, and now it's the most important thing in my life. I can't imagine a world where you're not by my side. Over 16 years, we've grown from kids to adults, always living in the moment, having fun, as we slow dance through life's adventures what feels effortlessly, while building a connection that doesn't need words to know what the other is thinking or feeling, and never losing that thing that makes our relationship so unique and special.
Stepping out of the shadow in my room, caught between cowboy clouds and misty moon. Silver dress, sparkle eyes, crystal blue.
I proposed 2 years ago on New Year's Eve. Up on Blackcomb, and we knew Whistler was always a special spot. Whoa, you look beautiful.
I always hoped love at first sight was as real as it looked in the movies. You're walking down the street, minding your own business, you lock eyes with that one person in the world that is meant just for you, and bam, your life has changed forever. It's silly, I know, but I watched a lot of movies growing up. But then I locked eyes with you, Bobby Sucham.
I fell for you. I fell for you. Life can switch from light to dark. Loving you, that's the easy part. I can do this with all my heart.
Beauty.
We haven't seen each other, so I can't wait to walk down that aisle. And I want to see him in my dress and just everything.
I fell for you.
Can't wait to wait for you at the altar, see you come out of the red barn, do our first dance, and just have a good time. I love you.
Chelsea, Bobby, here we are at your wedding.
Woo!
How does that feel?
It was a long time coming.
Long time. Do you remember when you used to write all over my textbooks and throw notes at me? Well, most of them I kept. In fact, I have one in your hand right now. It's a bit weathered since it's from high school, but this one is pretty special. It says, "Are you going to marry me?" Circle yes or no. Instead of circling yes or no, I wrote back, "If you're lucky."
I read a quote that said, when you live together, you live for the present. When you marry, you live for the future. I'm ready to start that future with you today as husband and wife and as my partner for life. Through good days and bad days, sickness and health, to nights spent in and nights going out, no matter where the road leads us, I know we'll figure it out, as we always do.
Now, Chelsea and Bobby, take a look at each other. Think about where your lives are going to be 5 years from now. What's going to be different 10 years from now? Can you picture your relationship 30 years from now?
I knew you two were in love when you would celebrate the 20th day of every month as another anniversary. I wasn't surprised after 16 years of doing this that Bobby proposed. And I'm so happy that you did, Bobby.
With this ring, we forge a new path on our adventure together.
I will always love you.
Bobby and Chelsea's fate was set the day that they met in that wading pool as toddlers. Jump forward in time, and the stars are aligned. And just when I thought my son couldn't be any happier, they meet again in high school, and Bobby's world changed for the better. They fell in love.
Now, upon the authority vested in me by the province of British Columbia, I pronounce you as husband and wife. You may seal your vows with a kiss.
Chelsea, I walked in the room tonight when you had your dress on. Right away, waterworks. You look beautiful. Bobby, you look good too. But Chelsea broke my heart. I just walked in and Lisa's crying, and I'm looking at my daughter and I'm like, wow. Hell yes, right? To Chelsea and Bobby.